Okay, well guys, I got some code over here, like activation code for this GitHub. So I'm going to paste over here. Okay, now it's getting logging. You can check it out. It's like creating our repository right now, initializing our dashboard basically. Okay, see guys, now we have successfully created our GitHub profile. You can check it out here from here, like this one. So this is my GitHub profile. Now you can check it out. It's like a face recognition system. Okay, this is my basically repository right now. Okay, so now the main agenda of this thing is like creating your own profile right now. Like create repository. Whatever main topic in this we covered, you can check it out. So basically, you can check it out here. We learned about what is GitHub and how to create a profile. We already done it. Now it's time to how to create a repository. Okay, I'm going to show you how to create a repository right now. Okay, at this step. So now there's an option called create repository, and you can select what other repository you want to make it actually. So I want to make it as public, like anyone can see my repository. Okay, create a new repository. It's going to lead error. So just or else you can just refresh the page if you're finding any error while creating. Just go to create a repository. This is my first project, right? So now it's asking what are the repository name you want to give. So I want to give first underscore program. Okay, this is my first underscore program. I'm going to write prog. Okay, this is my first program. So description, if you want to write description, you can write about your project or something. Okay, I'm just giving you something like a random demo. Okay, now what are the things you want to make it public or you want to make it private? You can use either things of these things. Whatever you want to want to make public or private, you can go ahead. Okay, so in my case I wanted to make it public so that everyone can have look at things how it deal. Okay, now just don't touch about these things. I'm going to talk to you a very advanced later sessions. What are this mean, a git ignore and these things. Okay, now just go to create a repository. It will automatically create a repository for you. Okay guys, these are the commands actually. Now I'm not going to touch yet commands because in just now I said you we are not going to go through these commands. Okay, now next class, what are the next class I'm going to teach you about commands, how to deploy through these commands. Okay, now I'm going to give you some random how can you just upload directly the code. Just come back over here, and this was our public repository. You can check it out here, repositories. Now just go down these repositories and you can upload the code from here if you want manually, import code. Okay, import code. If you want to import existing from some other compiler, you can import here. Okay, now you can check it out all these options like pull, push. I was already talking in the last class, right? So basically I'll show you how to do that also. Okay, these are new repositories, how to deal with the repositories. Okay, how to deal with repositories, everything. Now I'm going to jump on how to upload basic code in this. Okay, through your direct you can upload any code. Okay, remotely or else remotely in the sense last time I said you right. These are to create another new repository. You can go through still this here, import. If you want to import other files, I already have my own repository from my there. These are the project, and you can set up your project profiles, everything from here. Okay, you can press learn more and you can go explore. Okay, just explore guys. You can find a lot of resources in this. You can create a new project for here. Okay, now as in I'm just going this one right now. So I want to check it out here. This is my first program. So these are the basic commands. It's going to ask me I wanted to do this and upload existing file. You have some existing file, right? You can just press upload here and drag and drop the file over here. Think I have one file already existing over here. I'll check it out one file. Think this is my Python file. Why don't you upload this one? This is basic thing. I'll do one thing. Or else I'll just upload one small Python file for you. I'm going to upload small Python file for you guys. 1 minute. Yeah, this is a demo file. Okay, demo file. I'm just pressing OK. You can see that demo file is getting uploaded. It got uploaded successfully. Okay, what are the you want to add some changes commitments or do some what are the new things you brought? I'll change this file, that file. You can write here if you want. As of now I'm not writing anything. I'm just going to commit changes. Okay, so that it will upload in your file, in your repository. What I'm talking about repository. So right present it's going to take some time. It's minus seconds. Now it got successfully deployed. Okay, you can check it out here. When this is your profile, now we can give you if anyone asks you about GitHub profile, you can say better name or you can share up to here your name. In my case it's face attendance systems. Okay, in your case it's going to be different. Okay, as a username you give. Now when I press on this file, see this was another basic file uploaded. This is the simplest way with uploading your code and repositories through here without any commands. This is the simplest way I would like to tell you. So yeah guys, we also uploaded a basic code here. We also covered this topic right now. Okay, if you really like this things, just subscribe my channel so that you can get a lot of notification regarding this coding parts from scratch. Based on your interest, I'm going to upload a couple of videos very soon, and also we're going to cover advanced courses very upcoming classes. Okay, thank you. You can subscribe my channel.